Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Fidelity not letting me withdraw money. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering why you're having this issue. Well, in this case, there are a few things that you could do here to probably fix this issue. So first is if you've recently sold stocks on ETFs, remember that these trades take 2 business days to settle. So for instance, if you sold stock on Wednesday, April 6th, and proceeds will settle and will be available on Friday. Now, April 8th, note that mutual funds usually settle within 1 business day, but this can vary by fund. Next is you want to check for deposit collection period. Now, if the funds are from recent deposits such as EFT or mobile check deposit, they might still be in the collection period, which can take between 2 to 6 days. Direct deposits and bank wires are available immediately upon receipt, but with no collection period. Keep in mind that while Fidelity doesn't charge for incoming or outgoing wires, many banks actually do. Next is you want to review your balances. Now, to see if your funds are available for withdrawal, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the Balances tab. Cash that is fully settled and collected will show as available to withdraw. Also, you might need to check your account status on Fidelity. So after logging in, go to the Accounts and Trade section and select Portfolio from the drop-down menu. Choose your account from the list on the left side or left-hand side and check on the Balances tab to view your current balances. Now, for more details, click the eye icon next to the balances to read its definition. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.